Hi, and welcome to another episode of Inspired We Go. Today we are going to try and get in a ride on Jekyll Island, over on Jekyll Island in Georgia, before the rain starts. So sit back and enjoy this video. Cool.
Oh.
So we might have had a flat tire, but we ended up exploring Jekyll Island anyway. Have you been to Jekyll Island, Georgia? There's a campground on there that we definitely have added to our list. We want to get back there and check it out and bike ride. Let us know in the comments if you've been there. Hit that little thumbs up and tap that bell if you want to subscribe to more Inspired We Go adventures. And we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.